How you all doing? It's me, James, and today I'll be unboxing a product from Lazada. This product is a Razer mousepad that is only 150 pesos. It's like $4, $5 in US dollars. So yeah, I bought this so I can test a new mousepad. So it's a class A mousepad, but let's see if the performance is good enough to compare the real mousepad. So yeah, I have a real Razer Goliathus mousepad, and that one is very good. It's speed edition Razer Goliathus. So I'll be unboxing right now. Thanks LEXPH for the fuck. I damaged the product. There we go. So there it is. As you can see, let's open it up. Yeah, there we go. It's rolled. The packaging is very good. Fuck, I hope I didn't slit the product. So first look, the packaging is good, but I cut this one. So let's open it up again. I'll open my pocket knife. Let's open this way so that the product won't be damaged that much. It's very thick. It's extra large mousepad. It's 700mm by 300mm. So it's really, oh, it's rolled like this. Good product. So when I open it up, as you can see, it's like that, but it's very long here at the back, but here is in the front. Razer Goliathus mousepad. There we have it. Razer, old Razer there. And if we place our mousepad, as you can see, it will look like this long. It's very long. And I will try the review. I'll review it with my mousepad, and I'll compare it with the real Goliathus. So the sides are also stitched, but you know, class A stitch. Wait, let me focus that. See, look, it's stitched, but it's you know, normal, like normal cloth, and the surface is very good, as I can see. So I feel that the surface is very good. And here we have it. I'll check it out. So I'll go downstairs and try it out. Okay, see you. So guys, what's up? I'm back in my workstation, and this is the mouse mat, and I'll try to set this thing up. So about the ratings, I'll give the ratings by its quality, its shipping time, its performance, and durability. So I ordered this mousepad like May 1st of 2018. Now it's May 3rd of 2018. I received it a while ago, like 9 a.m. in the morning. So good job, that's a 1 star. Second, the packaging is very good. As you can see, it's wrapped in plastic and another plastic, and it's rolled. Very good, another star. So next is the quality. Quality is very good. It's like it's close to Razer, the real Razer Goliathus, but this thing is smoother and the texture is very smooth. So yep. And the overall I give this thing a 5 star. So yeah, let's set this up. So I'll set the thing up. It's very long, as you can see. Put it in the edge of my mattress. The edge of my what you call this? Edge of my table. Then it's not that long, but look, it's not that long. The whole table is not filled with the mouse pad. It's like 1/3 maybe, but that's alright. And the feeling is very smooth, that smooth feeling. And as we compare in the real Razer Goliathus Speed Edition, the Speed Edition small, the texture of the Razer is a little bit rough compared to the Class A. So yeah, that's the review of the mousepad, and it's not yet finished because I'm still gonna test it while playing CSGO with this mousepad. So let's see what happens. Yep, I'm gonna set this up real quick. Bye. So I am now in game with the mousepad, and let's. Oh my god. Haven't played CSGO in a while, so yep. Haven't played this game in a while, and I can't buy stuff, so yeah. Sensitivity is very low, so I can aim properly. Lol, I can aim. There we go. So noob. The texture is really nice and it's very smooth, but the odor is like, you know, rubberish. Very rubberish kind. So when it got old, you need to like really clean it up with soap. With soap and water, you know, because it smells stinky. Fuck. Sorry. So yeah, try to clean this 3 times a month. So yep, that's 27 in 1. So noob. Oh my god. So that's it guys, that's my review for the Razer Goliathus mouse mat. Thank you Lazada for the fast delivery, especially the seller. I thank you for this product. I think I'll rate it 5 stars. So if you want to buy, it's in the link below. I mean in the description below. So you can buy if you want. They only ship in the Philippines, so yep. Thanks guys for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.